Hi everybody, real quick, go to Google Images and we'll just enter in here Flipgrid. Now notice you'll have different options. So go to Tools, Usage Rights, check Creative Commons licenses if there's one there. So a lot of times there won't be for these logos, so that's okay. You can go back. If it's there, use Creative Commons license. Also, click on Color, Transparent. So now instead of getting this background in there, this big white background here, notice the image will do this instead. So you just get this part of the image, not the whole block. So it makes your PowerPoints or Google Slides look much cleaner. All right, so to do this, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to drop it into my slide here, my template slide. And drop it in, make it small, and then you're going to notice you have to have a drop shadow. So to do that, you just simply click on the image, go to Format Options, Drop Shadow, and now it makes it pop a little bit more off of here. So that's how you do transparent images, Creative Commons images, and the drop shadow.